This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Virginia Vaughn. Absolutely the most beautiful remodel. Amazing view from front and another amazing view from the balcony. Resort-like living includes tennis, gym, theater, 2 card rooms, library, billiards room, courtesy bus. Kitchen boasts a washer and amp, dryer. Large-sized storage area. So many activities your calendar will be full. Colony Point has only 6 buildings and all share one large pool, making it easy to know your neighbor. The complex never floods and we are the first to regain electricity after hurricanes. For more information, review the details below or contact Virginia Vaughn at 954-315-6000.